Why do we say that relationships between men and women face many challenges? How do you understand this? In modern society, sister-brother love is no longer a taboo topic, and more couples choose to cross the age boundary. However, although this relationship is full of sweetness and passion, it also faces many challenges that cannot be underestimated. Sister-brother love flows not only with the warmth of love, but also with the collision of both parties' thoughts, concepts and life stages. Even under the halo of love, it is sometimes difficult to cover up the cruel truth of life. Both parties in sister-brother love often need to face challenges such as external pressure, inner contradictions, and growth differences. In this context, passion alone is not enough to build a healthy and lasting sister-brother relationship. We need to explore the challenges faced by sister-brother love in depth and provide effective suggestions on how to deal with these challenges. 1. The conceptual gap caused by age differences. In the relationship between siblings, the age difference is certainly the most significant factor. This is not only reflected in the biological age gap, but also in the differences in life experiences and values of both parties. Sometimes, older women have more life experience and stability, and may already be successful in their careers, while younger men may still be in the exploratory stage. Such differences may lead to serious inconsistencies in the expectations and plans for the future between the two parties, easily leading to misunderstandings and conflicts. 2. Social pressure and public opinion challenges. Although modern society is becoming more tolerant, sister-brother relationships still face pressure from family and society. External evaluations and public criticism may become stumbling blocks for sister-brother relationships. In traditional concepts, sister-brother relationships are often seen as an unacceptable model, especially in some conservative family backgrounds, where the combination of older women and younger men may be opposed and misunderstood. These pressures will affect the stability of love and even make people waver in their relationships. 3. Difference in emotional maturity. The two parties in a sister-brother relationship often show different emotional maturity due to the age difference. The older party may have experienced several emotional ups and downs and have a stronger ability to deal with emotions, while the younger party may appear fragile and not know how to cherish when facing setbacks and challenges. This emotional inequality often makes it difficult for the two parties to reach a consensus when dealing with contradictions and conflicts, and may even lead to the breakdown of the relationship. 4. Inconsistency in life stages. Sister-brother relationships usually involve the two parties being in different life stages. The older woman may have already established a certain foundation in career and family, while the younger man may still be in the initial stage of study and career. This difference causes the two parties to be out of touch in terms of life rhythm, values, and life goals, which may lead to a gradual reduction in expectations of each other. To eliminate this disconnect, both parties need to communicate effectively and understand each other's life status and pursuits. 5. The problem of family role identification. In sister-brother relationships, the problem of family role identification between older women and younger men becomes increasingly obvious. Women's independence and strength, and the redefinition of women's roles, often conflict with traditional social concepts. Older women are often unwilling to assume the role of traditional women, and young men may find it difficult to adapt to the expectations of their elders. This kind of role identification problem is a reality that sister-brother relationships often need to face. Only by establishing a good communication mechanism can we jointly solve the problems caused by these roles. In summary, although sister-brother relationships have their own unique appeal, they also need to face many challenges seriously. Age differences, social opinions, emotional maturity, life stages, and family role identification are all important factors that may affect this relationship. If two people in love can communicate honestly, understand each other, and grow together, they can find the path to happiness in the challenges. For every couple in sister-brother relationships, I sincerely wish that you can go through every stage of life hand in hand with mutual support and understanding, and create your own beautiful future. May your love be like a blooming flower, announcing your happy time.